Hello and welcome for the learner of English grammar. So today we study about preposition of time and place. Okay, I think maybe you will know and you will understand altogether how to use preposition of time and place. Okay, so we can look at altogether. Okay, in. Okay, so some phrase that we use with in. You must remember. Yeah, with time. Okay, with time. Example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the summer, in 1980, in the 1900th century, in the 17th century, in the Easter holiday, in the next century, in the future, in the 10 years time. So preposition on we use connect with time. Okay, example, you can say on Monday, on Saturday, on June 3rd, on 1st October 2013, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on Tuesday evening, on time, on a winter evening, on a warm day. So preposition at we use with time. It means time expression. So now we can look at how to use at with time. Example, at 9 a.m., at 8 o'clock, at 6 p.m., at night, at noon or at midday, at Easter, at Christmas, at dinner time, at dinner, at that moment. So we finish about in, on, at that we use with time. Okay, so now we can continue. In, on, at we use with place. Yeah, okay, so we can study all together about it now. Okay, in, on, at use with place. Okay, example, in England, in Chinatown, in a building, in a car, in a taxi, in a boat, in a helicopter, in a traffic jam, in Times Square, in the article. So we can look at now about on that we use with place. Example, on a bus, on a plane, on a horse, on the phone, on the internet, on the television, on the floor, on the page, on the menu, on offered street. So we can look at after on. So at we use with place. Okay, you must remember. Example, at 675 State Street, at the bus stop, at the door, at the top of page, at someone's house, at the entrance, at the crossroad, at the front, at the page, at the bottom. So after we study all about in, on, at, that we use with time and place. Okay, I think maybe you understand. Okay, the preposition of time and place. Now we finish, and thank you for listening and watching. Okay.